Good morning, good morning. Commercial lot ito, for sale 1.1 hectares. Padre Garcia. Along Padre Garcia, Rosario, San Juan Road. Yung road na yan going to Padre Garcia proper. Yan yung boundary oh. Yung building na yan hanggang dyan. Bypass road yan. Kaso hindi lang na-connect. Ito, nandun na. Hindi pa lang kinonnect. Going to yan naman, going to Rosario, San Juan Road yan. 85 meters yung frontage galing dyan. Galing dyan hanggang doon sa building na yan. Yung building na yan. Yan. Improvement, bahay ng improvement na yan. Ulitin ko ha, 1.1 hectares. Commercial ito. Along 4-lane road. Patag siya, wala ka ng averagely patag. Thank you.